Welcome to today's video, where we dive into an interesting problem that has caused a discrepancy among popular compilers. The code presented triggers a failed static assertion in the assert due to a constraint violation, leading to rejection by Clang and MSVC while being accepted by GCC. This discrepancy raises the question: what exactly does the standard have to say about this situation? Now, let's delve into the solution for this problem. The key lies in the order of operations during template argument deduction. The function template's associated constraints are checked for satisfaction before the substitution of template arguments into the function type. This means that type deduction should fail before encountering the problematic assert, making the code technically well-formed according to the standard. In summary, the issue at hand stems from a divergence in compiler implementations related to the ordering of steps during template argument deduction, as dictated by the standard. Despite the rejection by Clang and MSVC, the code in question should actually be considered valid due to the specific rules outlined in the standard. And with that, we've unraveled the mystery behind this compiler conundrum. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We always love hearing from you.